It's Turtle Boy here. I got this new camera, I guess you could say, for YouTube. So, hope you like the new audio and the picture, because it's a lot nicer. See, you see about everything. It's really nice. Old garage over there. So, we're gonna scout the creek and see if we can do some kayaking. So, yeah. So, here's the cricket now. It's up a lot more than it usually is. Seeing if we can nice picture than stupid tablet. Yes, I was filming my videos on a tablet. Oh, I gotta jump down. If I keep straight in the middle, I could probably make it. I'll have to go over here. Oh, I have a glove in my hand. Go over here or over here, and then I'll make it past this pass. Water's rolling. And tomorrow, I think I'm gonna do some more of this because it's supposed to rain tonight. And it's winter, and it's 38 degrees out here. And, well, I got kayak for Christmas, so I ain't just gonna wait till summer or spring to come. Whoa, you see that? I don't know if you, my camera's a lot better, so I don't know if you can see this. Oh, there it is. Yes, you can see it. It's a hawk. Man, I like this camera. Phone, whatever, I don't care. But how I can really tell that the creek is up is it goes right across here, and this is a lot of water. See all these little rocks sticking out? This is normally not in the water. And those weeds are normally not in the water. And there's normally not water rushing that fast out. There's actually never water running out of there. And water runs out of there, but not as fast. So, let's go get the kayak. So, I was just about to get my my helmet. Right there. And there's a chicken right there. And then Bootsy Wootsy. Oh, my flashlight's on. Bootsy is right here behind me. And there's Rosie. And then there's my helmet. So, gotta go all the way around because chicken can't move. So, okay, we're gonna go out there to the kayak, get in, and let's go. Oh no, it looks like it's raining. I don't want to get my camera wet. I just got this camera. Well, phone. Give me shakes. Rapid days happen today. Just good enough for me to go down them. Oh, right to the rock. Man, I just shut up. Which is pretty hard. You can't shut up sometimes. You've got hyper flares. That's what I call them, hyper flares. New word, hyper flares. When you got hyper, sometimes, every now and then. Man, the rats are gonna be better tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. Whoa. You guys still on there? Okay. Oh, we got a monster here! No. Man, parking spot's gone. Oh man, parking spot. That's where I normally get off. And I'm no longer on my grandma's property. I'm on state property right now. So I don't know if I want to go down and meet my other grandma today. I do want to in the future. Maybe with this thing on. It'll be fun. Maybe. Just gonna go up under this tree. Gonna grab it. Oh, going right through it. Gloves are getting wet. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bah! Bah! Is that a nice ride? So yeah. Go check out Whirly. Shout out. Go subscribe. Watch his videos. Like the videos. Like and subscribe to my channel for more of this awesome kayaking. And yeah, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and bye.